This is a Tetra Spirals puzzle. It was designed by Lucy Powells and made by Puzzle Guy. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to put all 8 parts together in such a way that you make a square. This puzzle has 8 parts, all of them have different color, and it is a 3D printed puzzle. As you can see, each piece has a unique shape. That means that there are a lot of different possibilities how you can connect parts together, but only one possible way to make a square. If you like the Tetra Spirals puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and don't forget to subscribe to Puzzle Master's YouTube channel if you want to see more videos about puzzles. And now I will show you how to solve the Tetra Spirals puzzle. So first of all, I have to remember the solution. It's not that easy. So these two parts go together, these blue and pink parts. As you notice, the pink part has this part. It is unique. There is no such part in other pieces, so it is the only piece that goes with the yellow part. The rest will be not that easy, since what we have to do here is probably grab the orange piece and put it right here. Looks already pretty good. Half of the square is assembled. The next one will be the green piece. It goes here. Then this purple piece goes down here. So we already made 2 sides of the square. The red piece probably goes here. And then the blue one, yeah, like that. And the puzzle is solved. As you can see, we have a square. All 8 parts are assembled together. And the puzzle looks really, really nice. If you like the Tetra Spirals puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles designed by Lucy Powells, go to puzzlemaster.ca.